Would you like to learn how, in less than 10 short minutes, how I managed to help my clients, all of my clients, to grow their lists of prospects, guaranteed, and opened the door to potentially 65% more prospects, guaranteed, using 10 simple ideas? Plus, if you hang around for a few mercifully short minutes, I'm going to show you an incredible offer, only available for the next 72 hours, where I'm going to help you together with my team to get started or to get better at building your lead lists for free by leveraging the unique power of video in a dramatically different way. My name is Paul PG McKeown, and this is my message. I help executive business coaches to build your first 2 magic funnels, sales funnel, a sales pipeline, to convert high-ticket clients by leveraging the unique power of video in a dramatically different way through my iCanDOur 8-step digital marketing roadmap, so that you can get to 6 online clients per month from 90 days from the launch date, guaranteed, or I'll buy them back from you. This is a simple funnel on the left-hand side of this picture. And on the right-hand side, there's a slightly more complicated diagram, but it's still in essence the same thing. It's taking these videos, which we put up to YouTube, which we put up to Facebook. And if you haven't heard of YouTube or Facebook or a sales pipeline or something that we call email marketing, believe you me that this course is not right for you, okay? So if you have heard of these things, please stay tuned for this important information, because what we do is we simply convert these people via a landing page, which contains an opt-in form. The opt-in form simply has an email and a first name, email address, first name. And then from there, we take them through a process which we call a VSL, a video sales letter, where each day in their email inboxes, we send them 1 trust video, really short email with a lovely little short video, just like the one that I'm showing you now on your screen. After that, perhaps 30 days, perhaps 60 days, perhaps 90 days from now, those people will, if they are constantly receiving value from you, valuable based information, you're not trying to sell them, you're just genuinely trying to help them by actually helping them, they will eventually turn around and book a call with you, as long as you name your call. I call it a business upgrade call. So they book a business upgrade call with you, they receive the call instructions, and then perhaps, just perhaps, they will become a client. They will become a client. So this is the 8-step process that I call, yes, iCanDOur, digital marketing practice. So please stay tuned to the end of this mercifully short video. And without further ado, let's get started. So tonight's lesson is all about the never-ending client system. Now, think about this for a second. What are our assets? What are the assets that we are using to generate leads? So through the principles there that I have taught you in the iCanDOur 8-step digital marketing roadmap, where I'm helping all of you experienced, established coaches, how to get 5 to 7 high ticket, high prospect leads in 90 days. And how are we doing this? We're doing this through the process called semi-automation, where what we're doing is we're sowing the seeds of love, if you want. What we're doing is we're going through a formula. Now, let me just share a screen with you, because this screen is really, really important. It really shows you, a lot what we're talking about. So I'm just now bringing this back. I moved off the screen for one moment. Yeah, okay, here we go. Here's the screen. Let me share it with you. And you see, this is the screen there that we arrive at. And this is a screen that I use in almost all of my lessons, because what we're trying to do is we're trying to build a content library on the world's second largest search engine, on the world's second largest social media platform, and that is YouTube. And as you know, if you've been following any of the other lessons, if not, please go back, because we're now almost at the halfway point. I think actually this lesson might even be the halfway point. So well done for everybody for getting this far. Yes, this is day number 30, isn't it, by my calculations? 20, 29. It is indeed. This is day number 30. Wow, amazing. So today is exactly the halfway point there in this journey. So well done to everybody, full pats on the back for everybody involved for getting this far. We're using YouTube, you see, in a different way. We're using YouTube as a search engine, and we're using YouTube as a content library so that we can come along to these people, to the valuable members of our community. In other words, our leads and our prospects. And we're sending them out something of value on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, on Facebook Messenger, on WhatsApp, another one of those Facebook tools. We're sending out their little Instagram reels, snippets of content, so that the people then will take action. The people will take action, and the people will come along, and then they will enter into our journey. They will enter into our journey, and then they will click on the opt-in page. They will see your Facebook ad. They will see your LinkedIn lead generation ad. They will see your YouTube ad. They will see your maybe one of your questionnaires, your polls, your assessments, your quizzes, where you're inviting them to come along and to take part in something where they're going to get a ton of valuable insights into exactly what you do, exactly the type of people that you help better, faster, and with more fun, with more empathy, with more emotion than your competitors. Because remember, people do business with people. Everybody is a big emotional bag of feelings. I'm watching that show on Apple TV at the moment. It's called We Close. We Closer, I think, We Close. And it's all about WeWork. It's all about the life and times of Andy and Rebecca Newman, the founders of WeWork. And no, it's called We Crashed. That's what it is. And they crashed in spectacular fashion. I shouldn't laugh in case anybody was involved in that. But it was a very tragic story. But what they're trying to do is they're not trying to victimize the people. The two people that they're portraying, they're portrayed by Jared Leto and the girl from The Devil Wears Prada. I've forgotten her name now, but very good actors in this show. And it really shows you see there, this is what we're trying to do. We are trying to be bridge builders. We are trying to show these people. We are trying to shower these people with value, and with the types of things that you can do. And believe you me, that there is no more powerful way out there than doing this, than through these nurturing campaigns, these nurturing email campaigns, these nurturing marketing campaigns, and these drip email marketing campaigns. We do this according to a certain strategy. We invite you into a story. We record these messages with you. We ask you between 3 to 7 very simple questions. What do you do? It's quintessentially British English, but we ask you those questions. What do you do? And other questions about the types of problems that you are so passionate that you were put on this earth to solve for people, and the way that you solve it. And we're trying to get across your compassion, your empathy, your authority in these areas. And then we put all of these into what we call raw videos. And because one of my clients was saying this to me today, oh, but Paul, I wasn't really happy with what this was going to look like. And I said to her, at this moment in time, you're not trying to be the next Steven Spielberg. I think even if Steven Spielberg was left to his own devices, if he didn't have a production team and a montage team, I think he would probably still be faffing around trying to make it even more perfect, in which case we would never get anything out there into the mainstream. What we're trying to do is we're trying to showcase our message and our story in these ways, in these principles there that are taught to us through this iCanDOur 8-step digital marketing roadmap. And we're trying to make sure that this resonates with our target audience, in my case, to you, the coaches, and in your case, to your coaching clients. And we're trying to take you through this step by step by step, all the way through this process, to make sure that you fully understand and you fully grasp the concepts, whether you are on the DIY, the do-it-yourself, or the Done With You program, or the Done For You program, or the Done For You premium. This is what is so important. It's so important there that we put in this foundation for the course, and that we do this so well. As Daniel Priestley teaches us, we have to build this perfect pitch. We have to publish a certain amount of content. Every single day, I put this content out on YouTube. I put it out on Facebook. I put it out on LinkedIn. And then over time, there is a lot of content out there. And then what I do is I update the content from whenever we started doing this in March 2020. So over 2 years ago, because we're now in the year 2022, and we're updating this. We're making this newer, more modern, according to the latest trends, the latest solutions, the latest tips, tricks, hints, tips that are working really, really well for us now in the middle of 2022. Okay. And this is what we're trying to do, because we're trying to invite people onto our product ladder, our roadmap, our blueprint, if you will, and we're trying to persuade them to take action. And this is what we're trying to do. And whenever we do this, then we build up something called a never-ending client system. For example, if I turn on my phone in the morning, so what I do is I usually wake up, I do my exercise, I have some breakfast, I do some meditation, and then I turn on my phone for about 1 hour between 8 and 9 o'clock in the morning, and I look at the numbers that are being displayed to me on the screen. So I see, for example, the Facebook for Business pages icon, and I see a little number in the top right-hand corner. I see there in my email marketing, how many thousands of emails there that I have to, that my team and I have to sift through. I see, for example, in my LinkedIn Sales Navigator, again, a number in the top right-hand corner, and these are people then whose needs, whose messages that we have reached out to in our outreach program. How many people there have responded, and how many people need to be nurtured and feel special until such times as they're ready to go through the sales buying process on our website or on one of our landing pages. But this is what it's all about. And it's all about creating a never-ending client system. Now, if you would like some advice as to how we can help you to do this faster, please click on the link in the top of the comment section below, and we will organize a meeting with you, and we will show you, we will demonstrate to you how we can get this done better, faster, and with more empathy, with more compassion, and with more authority there than you ever thought possible. Okay, so click on the link in the top of the comment section below, and that will take you into our process. And then what you will find is there that after completing one of our polls, one of our quizzes, then that you can see if we're going to be a good fit for one another. Okay, because that's really important, because there's no obligations, there's no salesy strong arm tactics or whatever. It's all about making sure that we would be a good fit for one another. That's very, very important. And it's very important that the playing field is leveled as much as possible. Okay, so never-ending client system is a real must-have, and it's one of the fundamental principles of the iCanDOur 8-step digital marketing roadmap. So join us then for the longer lesson. Click on the link in the top of the comments below, and we look forward to seeing you very soon. And for me, for the moment, it's me, PG Mac, saying peace out. Bye for now. Hello, everybody, and thank you once again for watching today's video. We hope you got a lot of value from it. Now, remember, we are social, and here are our contact details at the moment appearing on your screen. Now, remember, these are the 3 types of things that we do dramatically different in this wonderful world of digital marketing. We focus on 3 things: the power of video by leveraging the unique power of video in a dramatically different way. Number 2, we help you to build your list, even if you've got a very small list. And we also help you to retarget the people that are already on your list. Now, the 3rd thing that we help people to do is we help them to build a sales pipeline, something that we call a magic sales 11x funnel. And remember, everything is fully guaranteed by our 60-day super duper titanium plated money back, one conditional guarantee. Don't forget about the one condition. You have to do the work. And also, here is the link for, as we promised at the beginning of the video, for our free 60-day video training series challenge. This is vts.icandour.net. And if you would like to book a free one-on-one strategy call, a business upgrade call with myself, PG Mac, here are the details. It's calendar.icandour.net. If you click on that link, then it will take you straight over to my calendar. And if you're lucky enough, there may be 1 or 2 slots still available to talk with me. Okay, those are the contact details once again. So we look forward to hearing from you. And please remember, reach out with any questions or comments that you may have. And remember to like us and subscribe, hit the little bell notification icon below. And we look forward to seeing you very much in tomorrow's video. Thank you once again. And this is me, PG Mac, saying peace out. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.